How to knit through the back loop. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you the Ktbl stitch. Knit through the back loop creates twisted stitches and you can use it in a lot of knitting stitch patterns. It is also a component of a lot of basic knitting techniques. Let's knit it together. To knit through the back loop, insert your right needle into the first stitch on your left needle from right to left and into the back loop like this. And now wrap the yarn around counterclockwise, pull through and drop the stitch. Here's your first Ktbl. Let's do it one more time. Insert from right to left. Wrap the yarn around counterclockwise and drop the stitch. One more time. Insert into the back loop, wrap around counterclockwise, pull through and drop the stitch. Let's do it one more time in slow motion. And that's how to knit through back loop Ktbl. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, and of course consider subscribing to my channel in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting!